Hi, good day, and welcome to another video. What we are going to do today is change the Pioneer receiver in my brother's car, and also plan the upgrade of his car audio system. The USB port started shorting. Plus, I just got this much better Pioneer than the one he got. I started off by carefully removing the finishers and screws. Once we got through with that part, we carefully disconnected all the wires that were attached to the old Pioneer harness and added the new one and mounted it onto the brackets. Then my next step is to attach the remote signal wire so the Clarion preamp and the Power Bass 5-channel amplifier can turn on. Then I realized there was a serious issue with the preamp. Due to the age and wear of the power input jack, it started to short and the preamp kept cutting off. That is not a good sign. I went on to disconnect all the RCA jacks and power from it and ran the signal from the Pioneer deck straight through to the amplifier. After that was done, I turned the car on, and I started to hear the sound from the speakers. I told him he would need to get a pair of tweeters to complement the 6-inch mid-range speakers, and we have to upgrade to a DSP in the near future. The replacement Pioneer deck worked great. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with this transformation as we upgrade to a DSP. Can you give us some options of a good and reasonably priced DSP to buy? Thank you to all my loyal subscribers.